Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. This bail application has been filed by the accused, namely Mahmood, who is facing trial under section 302 oblique 454 oblique 34 IPC in case registered wide FIR number 100 oblique 2005 at police station Mayur Vihar along with other accused persons now pending in the court of the additional session judge Karkardoma on the allegations that he, along with other accused persons, caused grievous injuries to deceased Nazir on 14/3/2005 at about 7 pm, because of which the deceased succumbed to the injuries. Stop. In the complaint made by Farooq, which is the basis of the registration of the FIR, it has also been alleged that after dragging the deceased from his house, the applicant gave an iron handle blow on his head from the back side. Stop. Consequent upon the injuries inflicted by the applicant, Nazir fell down and blood started oozing from his head, and later on he succumbed to injuries. Stop. This injury has been found to be sufficient to cause the death of the deceased. Stop. After committal of the case, two sessions charges were framed as aforesaid. Stop. The applicant is in jail ever since 23/2005, except for the period he was granted interim bail on account of the illness of his wife. Stop. Some of the material witnesses have been examined before the trial court, including Farooq, the complainant, who is also the brother of the deceased and has fully supported the case of the prosecution through the other eye witnesses turned hostile. Stop. In the aforesaid circumstances, the applicant is seeking bail primarily on the ground that the statement made by Farooq before the trial court belies his presence at the spot for the following reasons. Stop. Para. That deceased Nazir was dragged as per statement of Farooq from inside of his house by accused persons. No other family member of the deceased interrogated by the IO to support the same. Stop. No witnesses out of the residents from both sides of the lane up to the place of the incident were neither interrogated nor seen the incident as stated by Farooq. Stop. He, being brother, not stated that he tried to save his brother and was pursuing the culprits along with the deceased till the impact of blow on the back of the head of the deceased by the handle of hand pump. Stop. No abrasion or any injury on the body of the Farooq in attempt to save his brother deceased. Stop. When parallel enmity was also with the Farooq as well as the deceased with the assailants, and Farooq was also available. No attempt shown by the culprits to the assault the Farooq. Stop. The injured was not brought to the hospital by the Farooq. If he was present at the scene of the occurrence, why injured was brought by Abdul Rashid, shown as unnatural conduct of Farooq. If he was present at the scene of the occurrence. Stop. Clothes of Farooq were not blood stained, so was not seized by the IO. Also shows that Farooq was not present at the scene of the occurrence. Stop. It is submitted that for the aforesaid reasons, if read in the light of the statement given by the other witnesses, the presence of Farooq becomes doubtful at the spot. Stop. Thus, a serious dent stands caused in the story of prosecution about the role assigned to the applicant. Stop. In view of that, when two versions are possible, one finding favor with the petitioner must be considered, which is sufficient to enlarge the petitioner to bail pending trial, more so when the other accused persons are already on bail and that the petitioner, while released on interim bail, has not misused the liberty so granted. Stop. Thank you.